Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diva Ash and I hope you are all doing well. Let me just fix my crazy hair today. So guys, in today's video, I'm not going to be... the cars are so rude today. So guys, in today's video, I'm literally going to be doing two looks from one palette, and the palette of choice today is the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker Palette. This has still been one of my favorite palettes this summer, and I'm going to show you how to do two really easy looks. So it's not going to be fancy with cutting creases and doing all this crazy stuff. I'm just going to show you two really simple, cute looks that you guys can do really easily. I'm going to insert some pictures here. Ash, insert pictures here somewhere while editing, okay? And we're going to insert some pictures so you can see what they're looking like. So if you want to learn how to do these looks, then continue watching. So guys, if you can see, my eyes are looking a bit puffy today and a bit sore. That's because I literally went and had my eyebrows done. Do they look like sisters now, or I don't even know. When I'm editing, I'll most probably see what it looks like, and let's hope they're sisters today and not freaking cousins. So in today's video, I'm not really going to be doing much talking unless I'm just telling you like instructions for the eyes. So yeah, no flapping about today, no wallowing on for a million years. So it's gonna be a quick video, but just two simple cute looks for the summer. Hot girl summer, hot boy summer, just a hot summer for all of us. Okay, so guys, I think I should zoom you lot in, and let's get down to some eyeshadows. Hi. Alright, so for my lids today, I'm going to be priming it with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm going with my Estee Lauder concealer brush. Fancy. Okay, so let's prime the lids. So I'm just going to pat that primer with my beauty blender, because obviously I've already got my makeup done, so I just want to make sure the sides don't look too harsh. And also, I'm not going to set this lid, so I want to take off any excess that's on there. So guys, the looks that I'm going to be doing, you can obviously set the eye if you find it easier. It's just with this palette, I do find when you don't set it, the colours come up really nice and really bright. All done. So I've brought you in a little bit more closer because I do want you to be able to see the eye properly and all of my creases properly. That's just life. I'm 34 years old, so I am gonna have creases, and that's natural and that's fine, and I'm happy with that. So I'm going in with a Zoeva 228 Luxe crease brush, and I'm going in with the Color Wow, which is the yellow color, and I am going to dab that into my crease. Look at that payoff, it's so beautiful. Taking that all the way in, and I'm just gonna build up on that color. I'm also going to dab a bit of that colour on the outer edge of my eye. I'm bringing that in slightly. Okay, and I'm happy with that yellow for now. So now taking a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm using the Morphe M514. It looks like this. It's a little cute one. We can get really into where we need to get to. I'm going to take the shade Suck, which is a cute orange. It's really bright, but it's lovely. And I'm just going to dab that on the outer corner, coming inwards, and then also blend that into my crease. I'm making sure that orange is above my crease area, so when you're looking straight forward you can see it. So I can see right now I just need to go slightly higher here. A good tip for when you're doing your eyeshadow is make sure you always look at the eye straight on once you're doing patterns or whatever, because when you're looking in different directions things always look different, so it's best to look straight forward. So now that I'm happy with that shade, I'm going in with the first brush we used. I'm not putting any more product, but I'm just going to ensure that everything looks really nice and blended. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Lemon Drop, which is a lovely sparkly colour, and I'm taking that on a shader brush, and this one doesn't actually have a name because it came in a whole set from Morphe, and we are just going to place that in the area that we haven't actually placed any product here. And like the reason that I'm not like cutting my crease or anything for this is because, you know, sometimes when I go out, I don't want to spend 2 hours doing my eye looks. I just want to do a quick look and make it look nice and pretty. So now that we've done the top of the eye, we are now going to go down to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I am taking a kind of like a flat kind of brush. This is actually from e.l.f. It's one of these brushes. And I'm going to take that Color Suck and I'm going to place that all under my eyelid, connecting it from this end going inwards. Now for this eye, I'm going to leave a bit empty here so I can put some highlighter in there. So now we have the orange at the bottom. I'm just going to take the yellow and blend that out. So now just take your favorite highlighter and your little cute little brushes, or however you like to highlight your eyes, and put that in the inner corner and the brow bone. Now I'm going to put some white liner into my waterline and pop on some lashes, and I'll show you the final look. So guys, this is the final look of not the final look because we still have this eye, but this is the end of this eye. Sorry, I got chocolate in my mouth right now. But yeah, so this is this is what the eye looks like. I'm gonna try and do all those fancy, you know, those faces that the beauty gurus make. So yeah, you don't have to choose big lashes like this. I do find I just love lashes, so that's why my lashes are really, really big. But you can obviously choose whatever lash you want to with this. I think a fluffier, more naturally kind of lash would look better with this. This is very long, like extremely long and big, so maybe something more fluffy and a bit shorter would look better, but here we are. So yeah, let's get on to eye number 2. So for this eye look on this side, I want to do something cute, matte and easy and simple, maybe 3 shades, and that's it. So let's get to it. So I'm taking a really big fluffy kind of brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Soaked, and I'm gonna pack that all over my lid. Soaked is a gorgeous blue color. Oh yeah, look at that. Now the reason that I'm using such a big brush is because I have really big eyelids, so I can get away with it. Obviously choose the brush that suits your eye shape. So what we're going to do with this color is I'm taking it above my crease area, and I'm not swiping with this, I'm literally just dabbing. We want the color to stick on to our tacky base. So now that I've packed it on and I think it's looking really nice and cute, I'm gonna just use the same brush and I'm just gonna do swiping motions right and left. It's really small ones to try to just diffuse that edge so it's not looking so hard. These colors are so easy to blend. If you haven't seen my review on this palette, I'll pop it up here so you can go and have a look, but these colors are a dream to blend. They blend so easily. So now that I'm happy with the blue, I'm gonna go in with like a tapered blending brush, and this is the Morphe M330, and I'm gonna take the shade Brain Freeze, which is like a light blue color, and I'm just gonna diffuse that blue a little bit more with this blue. I haven't taken much of the Brain Freeze product at all. I'm literally just taking it, dabbing it off, and then going in with a very light hand. So now what I'm going to do is go back in with the shade Soaked, and I'm just going to intensify where I still want it to be pretty dark. If you like it more blended, you can obviously leave it as blended as you want. Intensify, and then go back in with my tapered brush and just blend that. Okay, I'm happy with the blue. Now I'm contemplating what color to put on the lower lash line, because I did want to kind of go with something a bit different. But now that looking at the blue, I kind of like it looking like a blue smoky eye. So we're just going to stick with the blue and take those 2 same colors on the lower lash line. There's a lot more fallout with this shade than I did see with the previous shade, but maybe it's because it's darker and I didn't really notice the other one. So what I'm actually doing, I'm just taking that first brush we used and I'm using that actually to place and diffuse this dark blue color. And it's actually working. Usually I use like 2 different brushes for it, but I'm not doing that today. So guys, this eye is basically done now. So we're just going to pop in some highlighters. So yeah, if you want to pop in, you can pop in whatever color you want into your inner corner. I'm again just going to go with a normal silvery kind of color, because I find that maybe it's a bit too dark, so I'm just popping that in there to brighten the inner corner slightly. And there you have the finished eye look. So guys, I'm gonna go and pop in some black liner into my waterline and then pop on eyelashes, and I'll be back. So guys, this is the look complete with the eyelashes. Now, I don't know which one I like better. I mean, this one is like daytime and this one is like giving me super glam for the evening, and I'm freaking loving the shades. Oh my gosh, tell me which side you prefer. Alright, so let me zoom you out and let's finish off this video. So I don't know what happened to my hair in that time that I was doing this video, but it's looking more crazy than it did before. So guys, which side do you prefer? Do you prefer the blue or do you prefer the yellow and the orangey? Now, yeah, I mean, personally, looking at it in the viewfinder right now in my monitor, I'm loving this blue. I think this blue is so beautiful. It's like rich, deep, but it's not so deep and dark. It's like a vibrant but sexy kind of blue, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know if you do, but But yeah, so I like both eyes. I think this one I would definitely wear for daytime and this one would be for evening. So in the comments down below, tell me which eye you prefer. And guys, if there are any other palettes that you want me to use and do a couple more looks for you guys, then obviously let me know down in the comments below. So guys, these are the two final looks and I hope you really like them. And if you do, then please leave me a thumbs up on this video. And if you are not part of the family, the YouTube family and the Diva Army, then hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah guys, I'll see you lot in the next video, and I'm gonna leave you guys with some close-ups of these eyes so you can get a proper look. Okay. And before you go, as always, here is the subscribe button. Make sure to hit that before you go. And on this side over here is my next video. So if you want to watch more of me and you have nothing else to do, then hit that. Hit it, baby.